Today we're going to be drawing Elsa.
Yeah, we're gonna draw Elsa.
From Frozen, like Anna.
Yeah. It's from Frozen 1, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, should we get started?
Yeah!
Alright.
Got your marker and let's get started!
We're gonna start with her eye right around there. Okay. And just do a small rainbow shape. Very good. And then, yeah, you're gonna do another rainbow shape next to it. And yes, you bring them together. This isn't our first time doing it, so that's why she's doing it kind of fast. Because we've had to practice it a few times, huh? All right, and then she's going to be looking off to the side. So you do 2 C shapes that way. Then you fill this one in and leave a little highlight in there. And then the other C shape right here. Fill this one in and leave a little highlight. Oh, you already did the eyelashes. How beautiful. I'll add mine now. Do you want to fill in the black part and leave a little highlight? So yeah, 3 eyelashes on each side. That's very beautiful. All right, and then her nose, just a thin little line in between. Beautiful. And then her smile. Just do like a curved line up and then this. And I'm going to thicken up the top of her eye.
I'm going to do this too.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, so I'm thickening up her eyelashes a little bit, but that's perfect. Okay, so now we're going to start right here and we're going to curve around for her cheek. And then it comes down for her chin. And then it goes back up.
I did
Yeah,
it.
and there's her jaw. And
I
then
did
goes
it
up.
even faster than I did.
Yes, you did. And then her ear is only on this side, right here. All right. Now we're gonna swoop for her hair. Right here, look, watch. We're gonna do a swoop right here, next to her ear. And then we're gonna come right here and angle it up and then over. Very good. And now we're gonna come right here and we're gonna make her forehead. And it meets up right there.
I did it like this.
Very
There you
good.
go.
And now we're gonna come right here and do a bang that goes to right here. And a little bit kind of pokes out right here too. Just a little bit. And then you know how this one bang always kind of flies back? We're gonna draw that like this. Cute. So now you can draw that inside of there. Yeah. And then I'm going to draw a curve to make it look more like yours where it comes down. Oh yes, beautiful. And then another curve down like this. So it kind of makes it finish there. And then over here, we're going to have it curve down and out. And then meet these two up right here. Oh yeah. And then now here they meet up. Oh, yeah, to here. Cool. That's nice. And then I'm going to do one more line.
Her hair is swooshing.
Very swishing. All right, so we've got that line right there. And then down here, it kind of curves in. It's going to start coming down. Yeah. Very nice. Now we're going to finish her hair later. Right now we're just going to do a thin line for her eyebrows.
I already finished my hair.
Can we just do a thin line for her eyebrows?
Yeah.
So there's one eyebrow. Very nice. And then another eyebrow over here. Okay. Now, very nice. Let's make sure we're still in the picture. Okay.
Picture. There we go.
All right. Now we need to do just a little line for her neck right there. And then a diagonal line down for her shoulder.
Oh, can it be?
Her shoulder, it just shows a little bit right here. So, all right, now over here, we're gonna do her braid. So her braid covers this shoulder.
Oh, can you help me with that?
Yeah, so start right here and curve in. Very nice. And then come over here and curve towards the one you just did, like that. Very good. And then inside of there, we're going to draw a Y.
A Y?
That's the letter Y.
I'm going to draw X.
X works too. Okay. And then right here, we're going to draw another curve. And then this one meets up too. And then you can draw.
Hey, I don't even need help to do this.
You're awesome. Now you can do another X in there if you want. All right, and then I think we could just do one more smaller one and call that long enough for her braid. And then you can put a hairband. Can you put a hairband there? So a hairband, and then her hair comes to a point, like a paintbrush right there. What you doing?
I need you getting it up.
Oh, that's enough. That's a big braid, huh? All right. And then over here, we're just going to draw a curved line that goes and meets up right there. That's cute. All right. Now we need to draw her dress. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
So right here where her shoulder is, we're going to draw a curved line like that. Okay. All right, so follow me.
Follow Mom.
She's going to do her own thing right there, but you guys that are watching on video can follow me. So this kind of makes a V shape. And then we're going to draw a little C shape right here. And then it's going to come down.
Okay, from where?
From the C shape, and then it's going to make her dress. So the dress is going to go down to here. And then it's going to curve over like that.
Curve over her.
And then it's going to come back up to hide behind her hair. Okay, and now we're going to draw her arm right here. Can you draw her arm? She's making a fist. So this line comes down. And then this line goes this way. So she's going to be having her arm like that. Good. And then her fist, you can make kind of like a square shape, rounded at the bottom. And then some little lines in there. And then her sleeve is right here. And then it comes back here. Awesome. All right. Now this arm up here. So we're going to draw this line coming up like that. And then this line joining it up to get thinner right there. Yeah, good job. And then you make her sleeve. And then you're going to make her hand with a finger pointing. So have one finger pointing. And then her thumb will be kind of down. And you can turn those into other fingers if you want. Or you can have these little fingers hiding back here. Cute. All right, so she's probably like casting ice with that hand, huh? All right, and then right here, we're going to have a V shape like that.
That's my tummy.
I know. Can you draw a V shape in her dress if you want? Very good. All right, and now we get to draw her cool cape. So you're
Pretty cape.
So you're going to do a line down that comes past her dress.
Past her dress.
And then over.
Past.
And then it comes back up.
A little more.
And then it comes back up and meets up eventually. And then over here, we're going to draw another part of that cape. And then it goes back here. Beautiful. And then over here, right here.
My tummy rumbled
Yeah.
again.
From this C shape,
Seems
we're gonna.
like I'm really hungry.
I think you might be. All right, so this is gonna come down. Whoa. Okay, so from right here, it's gonna come down and out. And then you can draw another one right next to it. That comes a little further. And then it comes up. And then you can draw 2 more lines back here if you want, but you don't.
Why does she hand up there?
Okay, last thing, we need to draw her feet. So little half oval, kind of pointed, and then a little line through it for like her shoe. And this one too. All right. Now, I'm going to draw one more really thin line through here. It's not necessary for you guys to do it. You already have yours, don't worry. Because this part is blue and this part's white. And let me think what else. So you can draw little dots on here. I'm going to do it while I color.
Right here?
Yeah, for this bodice part, it's kind of sparkly. So you could draw little dots. I'll probably do it while I'm just coloring. And then there could be some snowflakes while you color. So we'll finish the rest in time lapse. Thank you so much for drawing with us.
No, I'm going to do.
Okay.
Thank you so much for drawing us up. We hope you had fun drawing Elsa.
Make sure you subscribe to our
Our
channel.
channel so don't miss our videos.
Yeah. And we will see you next time.
Time.